My name is Deepti. I am an international mathematics teacher with over 17 years of experience. In this video, I will cover the entire topic in details. So stay tuned till the end. Thank you. Good. So now test for divisibility. How you will test the divisibility rule? Divisibility number. Now write down divisibility by 2 first. Because you are learning fast, so I also going fast, okay? A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at units place or ones place is all the even number basically. So your see, I am writing the keywords only, okay? So unit place or ones place, when you see any digit, okay, there is a lakhs, thousand, millions, any numbers, any digit we have, you will see that only the unit place or the ones place is what? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Just divide by 2. No need to think anything. You just divide it. For example, I am giving the example. Suppose the number is 2442. Check at ones place. What is at ones place?
4.
Ones place. Look at the board. 2. So it's divisible by 201%. Okay. Suppose your number is 6976. What is it? The ones place we have 6. 6 is the even number, or you can say it's divisible by 2. That means the whole number is divisible by 2. Understood the concept? So a number is divisible by 2 if the digit at units place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. We get the remainder as 0. These are all even numbers. Okay. Example is 64168. 8 is at ones place. That means the whole number is divisible by 2 easily. Okay. 104. Now 4 is at ones place. That means it's divisible by 2. Understood? No confusion at all. Now second, divisibility by 3. How you will recognize your number is divisible by 3 or not? Any idea?
The sum that you get, if it's divisible by 3, then the number is divisible.
Yes, you know it. Very good. You know it then. So why you are struggling in the topic when I explain it? So number of divisible by 3.
I know some of the divisibility rules, but I don't know a lot.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Sum of digits. Okay. Very good. Sum of digits. Okay, any digits. So a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit of a number is divisible by, so I am writing in a short way, divisible by 3. So the whole number is divisible by 3. For example, 2841. Your digit is this. You will add it. 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. When you add it, you will get 15. Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. That means the whole number 2841 will also divisible by 3. Okay? Clearly, 15 is divisible by 3. Hence, 2841 is divisible by 3. Like other number, we can take it 5211. It's divisible by 3 or not? 9729. Check. This is divisible by 3 or not? 3222. 108. Right? You can see that when you add the digits, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Yes, it's divisible by 3 because the addition of divisible by 3, that means the whole number is divisible by 3. Right? Any confusion?
The next number is
4. Divisibility rule by 4. Any idea how you will divisible by 4?
I think it's to add the last two
No. Okay.
numbers.
Very near to the concept but not correct. Okay, anyways. Now I explain. 2 and 3 you know it, so yes. 5 you know it, right? So we learn the remaining one. So divisible by 4 is when a number is divisible by 4 if last two digit of the number is divisible by 4. You have to check last two digit. Last two digit is divisible by 4. That means your whole number is divisible by 4. For example, 17624. This is the number. Now check last two digit. 24 is divisible by 4?
Yes.
Yes. So 24 is divisible by 4. Understood? So last two digit is divisible by 4. That means the whole number is divisible by 2. 4. Now next number is suppose 2728. Check. Is it divisible by 4?
Yes.
1936. Is it divisible by 4?
Yes.
508.
Yes.
412. Correct.
Yes.
Right? Understood? Very good. So when the last digit, divisibility by 5 is when you have a number is divisible by 5 if the digit at units place or ones place is 5 or 0. Right? So for example, 3450. Yes, 0 is at ones place. That means this number is divisible by 5. Right? Yes. 215. 5 is at ones place. That means it is divisible by 5 perfectly. Bigger number 42,135. 5 is at ones place. That means yes, this is divisible by 5. And 78,960. So you can see it here, all the unit plates 0 and 5. That means these numbers are divisible by 5 exactly. Okay. So the divisibility of by 6 is any number which is divisible by 6 must also be divisible by 2 and 3, because 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3, right? So if your number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then we can say that the number is divisible by 6. This means that a number will be divisible by 6 if it's divisible by both 2 and 3. So any even number is divisible by 3 is divisible by 6. Okay. For example, 150. It looks like it's divisible by 2. Yeah, that's correct. It's divisible by 2 also because 0 is at ones place. It's divisible by 5 also because 0 is at ones place. Now we'll check it's divisible by 3 also or not. Okay. So now see, 150 is divisible by 2. Yes, it's because 0 is at ones place. Now 150 is divisible by 3. When you add 1 plus 5 plus 0 will get it 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. That means yes, it's divisible by 3. That means we can say that 150 is divisible by 6 also. Right? So we have, sometimes we have divisible one number, we can divisible by many numbers. That is absolutely fine. So we can save the time. When you use it, the bigger number, you can save the time. Suppose this number is divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 6. Right? 150 is divisible by 4 numbers. 2, 3, 5 and 6. So you can use 6 for your calculation fast. Okay? So you can use it like this. Okay. Now other example is, suppose I am giving other example for the 6th one is 792. Check. Is this divisible by 6 or not? 2 is at
It
ones
is.
place. 2 is at ones place, so definitely it.
It is divisible.
Yes. So 2 is at ones place, so it's divisible by 2. And 7 plus 9 plus 2 is what?
18.
18. 18. So 3 is also divisible. That means 6 is divisible by number. Understood? So number is divisible by 7 if double of the unit place of the given number is subtracted from the rest of the number. Means, I have to write it. Double of the units place units place or ones place? Ones place I am writing. Double means 2 times of your units place, okay, of the given number is subtracted from the rest. So I am writing the formula, you just use it for the this one, okay. I am writing in a keyword. So rest of the digits subtracted from the 2 times of ones place or ones is equals to divisible by 7. How? For example, I am giving the example 875. It's divisible by 7 or not. How you will be see it? The digit of units place is 5, right? The digit of units place is 5. So rest of the digit is 87, bacha. So write it 87 subtracted from double of the units place, which is 87 minus 20. 87 minus 20 will be?
It's 87 minus 10.
10, sorry. I am writing directly. Actually, I have another batch, so I am just thinking about it. There is a notification is coming. Your next batch is, waiting. So I was just thinking of that one. Okay, 77, right? So the 77 is divisible by 7, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
77 is divisible by 7. That means, bacha, 875 is also divisible by 7, absolutely. Okay? Understood the format? So this format, if you remember, you can find any divisibility rule of 7. So rest of the digit is minus 2 times ones place is equals to divisibility by 7. Okay? Understood? Okay, now I think, so now today we will learn what are the factors, okay, and then multiples. So what are the factors when a whole number, okay, when a whole number completely divides a given number without leaving any remainder. Without leaving any remainder, then it's said to be a factor of the given number. Okay? Said to be a given number. For example, so suppose take a 30. Okay, 30 groups. 30 when we have the 6 will be the easy number. Okay, so 6 1 times 6 will be 6. Yes. Now any other way? 2 times 3 will be 6, right? 4 3 times 2 will be 6.
Yeah.
And 4 is also possible. 4 times any number will give it 6. No. 5, no.
1.
6, yeah. 6 times 1 will be give it 6, right? So you can say that. So you can say that 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are the, you can write it, 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6, right? Factors of 6. An exact divisor of a number is a factor of that number. So basically when 1 divided by 6, 1 times 6 will give it 6. So see, 0 without leaving any remainder. Now 2 divided by 6, then 2 times 3 will be 6. Remainder is 0. Then 3 divided by 6, you will get 6 without leaving the remainder. And 6 times 6 will give it 6 without leaving the remainder. That's why these 4 numbers, these 4 are the factors of 6. Alright? Yeah? So the factors are when a whole number completely divides a given number, without leaving any remainder, then it is said to be a factor of given number. And always remember when you write it in this way, na, so this will make it a U. 1, 2, 3, 6. Or you can take it 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, so anyways you can write the factors, but U is the, when you make it the U, na, then it will a easy form to understand the factors. I'm giving the more example. Suppose for example, the next example is 6. Oh, 6 we have done, na? Now take the example of 15. Find the factors of 15.
Three times 5.
Yeah. Find the factors of 15. So
5 times 3.
1 times 15 is 15, right? 2 times
5
give it,
times 3.
2 times not give, but 3 times, right? 3 times 5 will give 15, perfect. Then
5 times 3.
5 times 3, yes. Then 6,
15
7,
times
8,
1.
9. Yeah, 15 times 1. So what you will observe here, the factors of 15 is, you can make it a U. So it's a 1, 3, 5, 7. 15. So you can write it here, 1, 3, 5, 15 are the factors of 15. Okay. Suppose
Usually a number only have 2 factors?
No. This is a prime numbers. I explain it. Prime number, twin prime number, every numbers. Okay. So now find the factors of 30. 30. So 1 times 30 will be 30. Yeah. 2 times 15 will be 30. 3 times 10 will be 30. 4 times will give it 30. No. 5 times 6 will give 30. 6 times 5. See, so other you will not Make it a factor because it will give it automatically from here. Then 10 times 3 is 30. Then 15 times 2 is 30. You can write it as this way, and the 30 times 1. So when you make it a U from 5 to this, so then you will see it here 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30 are the factors of 30. Alright?
Yeah.
Any confusion?
No.
No? Sure? So whenever the questions comes, list of all the factors of 30, find the factors of 30. So you can find it in like this. Okay?
Okay.
Now write down the properties of factors. So if you not make it U now, then you can see there is a factors in a line. So there is, see, when we observe here, then it will be repeated now. Then you cannot writing, you just stop it at this place and then write the factors. Now the next is properties of factors. Write down. Very useful properties. First property. 1 is a factor of every number. Write it down. How? Whenever you will find the factor of any number, suppose 8. So 1, 2, 4, 8. So 1 will be there always. Okay. Suppose we are finding the factor of 5. So 1, 5. See, 1 is here. When we find the factors of 15, as we have already done, 1, 3, 5, 15. As we have find the factor of 30, as we have already done. So there is a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So you can see it here. Here is 1 is a factor of every number. Understood the concept?
Yeah.
Yeah, got it?
Yeah.
So 1 is the factor of every number. So the second property is every number is the largest factor of itself. See, in the every question you will see it, 8 will be the largest factor, in 5, 5 will be the largest factor, 15 will be the largest factor, and 30 is the largest factor.
So it means like 15 times 1, and 15 is the largest factor.
Yeah.
Which can fit into 15.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay.
I hope you are enjoying the video so far. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any query or needs practice question, please do let me know in comment.
So the third property is every number has a limited number of factors. Limited number of factors means, suppose factor of 8 is 4. How many factors of 8 is 4? How many factors of 5 is 2? Like limited. 15. How many factors of 15? 4. How many factors of 60? 6. So there is a limited number of factors, or you can say that the number of factors are countable. You can count it. These are 4, these are 2, these are 4, these are 6. So it's a countable. Okay? Yeah? So the number of factors of a given number are always finite. They are counted, like 24. If you find the factor of 24. So 24 factors are 8. 8 factors. When you find the factors, now you will get 8. In this, we have how many factors? 4. How many factors? 2. How many factors? 4. How many factors? 6. When you find the factors of 100, okay, so it will be a, how many factors? When you find the 100 factors, it will be a 9 factors. You will get it. Okay, so it's a countable. Okay, okay, it's a countable. We can easily count the factors. Okay, because why I am explaining the properties now, the same property we will do it in the multiples, and that is absolutely opposite. So in multiples there are infinite number of multiples. Factors are limited, multiples are unlimited. Factors has a different properties, multiples has a different property. So the fourth property is every factor of a number is either less than or equal. Okay, or equal to the given number. How? Take any example. Suppose 8. Okay, when you find the factor of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. So see what you will observe here. 8 is greater than 1 or less than. Now we are talking about less than. Okay, so 8 is either a less than. So 8 is, 1 is the less than of 8, 2 is the less than of 8, 4 is the less than of 8 and equal also. 8 is equals to 8. Understood?
Yeah.
Suppose 15. We have 1, 3, 5, 15. So you can see it here. 1 is less than 15, 3 is less than 15, 5 is less than 15 and 15 is equals to 15. So every factor of a number is either less than like this, right? Either less than like this or equal, right?
Yeah.
Either less than or equal to the given number. This is the property number 4. Any confusion?
No.
So the last is every factor of a number is an. So this is the last property. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So these are the 4 factors. When you divide it, you will get the exact divisor, right?
Only those 4 factors?
Yeah, only those.
Isn't that more?
No. Can you find it more? So because 1 times 8 will give 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the videos and subscribe.